Hello friends, I am Abhishek और आप देख रहे हो एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन गुरुजी. So today we'll discuss about cube and cube roots. Okay, so let's start. So first we'll check how to do cube of a number. Okay, let's see. I'm taking one example. Let's take 52 as a number. We need to do the cube of 52, right? So as per the method, we'll consider A and B. Value of A is 5 and B is 2, these and these one, okay? And after that we'll provide one formula. We need values like A cube, A square B, A B square and B cube. We need these values, okay? So we know what is the A cube value, that is 125. A square B means 5 square into 2, 50. A B square means 5, 2 square 4 into 5, that is 20. B cube means 8, correct? Okay, so as per the rule, we have to take 125 and how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. So 3 0. 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. Okay. We need to add 50 with double of this number. So 150 and double of this number, 40, then 60. Okay. So now we need to put this one as, here is 2 number. So just add 2 0 and then 0 5 1, this number. Again we need to put 60. How will put? We have one more number, so we'll put 0 here, 0 6, and the last number is 8. So 8. That's it. 8 0 6 5 5 10 1 carry 2 3 4 and 1. That's it. This is the process. Okay, very easy process and very effective. You can find any number cube within 10-15 seconds. Okay, fine. Okay, let's take another example. So this time I'm taking example of 65. So 65 cube, similar, A equals to 6, B 5. So A square means 36, B square 25, right? Okay, so as per formula we need A cube 3 A square B 3 A B square B cube, right? Why I put 3A square B and 3AB square? Because we will add A square B plus 2A square B, right? So you can also consider as a 3A square B and 3AB square. Okay, let's take the numbers. A cube means 2 1 6. How many numbers? 1 2 3 0 0 0. Okay, what about the 3A square B? Okay, 3A square B means 3, A square means 36, B means 5. This multiplication means 180 into 3 means 540. Okay, so we'll add 2 numbers is 20, then 540. What about this one? 3A square B, AB square. 3AB square means 3, A means 6, B square means 25. This one means 150 into 3, 450, correct? We need to put one number is remaining, so need to put 0, then 450. Okay, what is the last number? B cube means 5 cube, that is 125. Put 125. That's it. 5 2 6 8, 6, 14, carry 1, 5, 6, 7, 2. That's it. Very easy process, right? So this is the process how you can cube any number. Okay, this is a very effective process. Okay, now I will do cube root for any perfect cube root numbers. Okay, let's see. So friends, now I will show you how you can do cube roots. Okay, for any perfect cube root numbers. Okay, so this is the chart we need for this kind of method. So we know 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube, and so on. So we'll consider the unit place. So 1 cube is 1, unit place is 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9 and 0. So we can see each and every number is different. Okay, it's like 1, this is a single time, 8, only one place it will 8 for 2, so 5 cube only, 3 7 cube only. So if we have any unit place, we can easily say what is the cube root number, right? Because these are very unique, these numbers are very unique, right? Okay, let's see. I'm taking one number. So friends, now I'm taking one example. This is 205379. This is the example. This is one perfect cube root number. Okay, so anyhow we can see like 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, from 5 cube, from 4 up to 4 cube we know these are 2 digits. From 5 cube we can see those are 3 digits only. Okay, so we can break these numbers in 3. Okay, 2 part, 3 digit and 3 digit. Fine. Okay, so in first 3 digit 205, we can see this number 205 is between 5 cube and 6 cube, but less than 6 cube. So it cannot be 6 because this number cannot be starting with 6, because anyhow if it is starting with 6, this value would be above 216, correct? So it is 205 means it's in the number of 5. So it would be, first digit would be 5. What is the next digit? 379. We can see the unit digit is 9, right? Okay, so when we'll get 9 as a unit digit, we can see in 9 cube itself. Okay, in any other number will not get anyhow 9 as a unit place, correct? So we have to use 9. That's it. This is the answer. Very easy, right? And very effective. You will get this if you have the table. Remember, you can memorize the table 1 to 30 or 1 to 20 easily. You can do this kind of square root and cube root easily within few seconds, or 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You can easily derive what is the value. Okay, so I'm taking another example. This is second example. We can see 287496. Now we'll do it. Okay, and within 5 to 10 seconds we'll do. So just divide 2 part. So 287 means it will comes under 6. Okay, what about 6? 6 means 6. So 66 only. The answer is 66. Okay, this is how you have to derive. Very easy and very simple. Also, I have provided one square and square root related topics previously, so you can get it in the I button and also in the description box. And if you need any kind of topics to be discussed in my next videos, you can also mention in the comment box.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your valuable feedback.